Title: Tasty Indian Curry, Spicy Free Kitchen Edition. Are you craving Indian curry but don't have any spices in your kitchen? No worries, we've got you covered with this flavorful and spice-free Indian curry recipe. To start, finely chop 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, and a bell pepper. These will serve as the base of our curry and provide a delicious flavor. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan and add the chopped onion. Saute it until golden brown and fragrant. While the onion is cooking, let's prepare our spice blend. In a small bowl, mix together half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Now, add the spice blend to the sautéed onions. Stir it well to coat the onions evenly. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and bell pepper to the pan. Mix them with the spiced onions and let them cook until soft and tender. Once the vegetables are softened, pour in a can of coconut milk. This will bring a creamy and rich texture to our curry. Give everything a good stir, making sure the flavors are well combined. Finally, add in a handful of chopped cilantro. This will give a fresh and vibrant taste to your curry. And there you have it, a tasty Indian curry made without any spice in your kitchen. Serve it over steamed rice or with warm naan bread for a complete meal. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.